Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
To refinish a stainless steel refrigerator, start by cleaning the surface with a mixture of warm water and mild dish soap. Rinse thoroughly and dry. Apply a non-abrasive compound specifically designed for stainless steel, using a microfiber cloth to buff the surface in the direction of the grain. For deeper scratches, gently sand the area with fine grit sandpaper, again moving in the direction of the grain, before applying the compound. Finish by wiping the refrigerator down with a clean, dry microfiber cloth to restore its shine. Regular maintenance will keep it looking new.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.